Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the latest Plants vs. Brainrots update. Yes, it is like 4 a.m., but it's fine. It is the Gym Gains update. It says freshness now open. It's like the gym. So instead of submitting plants, we are now actually what just happened? Oh, we are now submitting brain rots instead of plants. So it says brain rot weighed 5.5 kilos to 11 kilos. So I'm going to find a brain rot that I have that is around 5 kilo. Let me see. Which one do I want to give? Sometimes I'm very picky. Let's just give this one. I'm just going to press give. And as you can see, here is everything you're able to get later when you finish the update. You'll get this brain rot, this gear, and this plant. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. You just need to submit brain rots now, which I think is pretty cool. So I don't have to do much really. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.